I just stopped to get fish here at a wholesale fish spot here in Port Antonio, Jamaica. Roz is gonna cook it up. They got some nice vegetables at home. They're already prepping. It's about to be game time. I'm ready to eat. I know we just bought fish. I know we're gonna get some good food. Roz is gonna cook it up nice. But here's the thing. I've been wanting to try some food from this little restaurant since I've been here. And I also want a burger too. So I want fish, but I also want a burger. It's gonna take them a couple hours to get this situation situated. So yeah, I'm gonna check out this hamburger or cheeseburger.
By the time the camera cuts, we are gonna decide the taste because all of us know these vegetables. All of us know, but when it comes to the taste, that's what I don't know, and that's what we're gonna determine.
Yeah, guys, me and Simon came together. We did a little collab situation for dinner. I got the fish. He got these nice organic. Look at these. Look at these. These don't even look like what we get at home. Look at how green that is. Look at it. You see these right here? That means there's no pesticides to keep the bugs off. That means it's natural, baby.
Yeah.
We're getting real food here. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. So I see you, Ross. The appreciation, love the vibration, brother.
Yeah. He's just a traveler's run boat.
This is when a family get together and everybody buys a piece of something and we eat.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Robert, this is your Thanksgiving.
This is my
This is our Thanksgiving.
I did miss Thanksgiving. Thank you. I missed I was here and my family enjoyed Thanksgiving back in America without me. Thank you guys so much.
You come in, Sophie. Okay.
Oh, it's Sophie, guys.
Okay.
Hey, Sophie. I got you on camera. Isn't she a peach?
This is Sophie.
See, now this feels like family right here. I love it. All we need is one drunk auntie. Does anybody have a drunk aunt we can borrow?
You have this drunk man here.
We got it right there.
If it's something that you should have. I'm like, this is a Simon.
Appreciate it. The lovely Fiona.
Hello.
Looking beautiful with her slip slide shoes on. Looking all dope over here. You know she was working for real. She had her carpenter tongue hanging out her mouth. That's how you know somebody working with their tongue hanging out the way it was. She ain't let me catch that though. She was smart. Cutting that with precision too.
I'm making salad.
You making what? Say it again? No.
Salad.
I was like to hear you say salad. Say it one more time.
Salad.
Salad. That like a knife you might cut a motherfucker with. I'm not gonna lie to you. That like that motherfucker. Say something else, I will slice the shit out you. Okay, you say something else to me, and I'm gonna slice you twice. I'm gonna slice you from neck to nut. Keep on playing with me. See that knife? That's that knife right now. When you point at somebody, you say, "Let me alone. Let me alone." Now, I told you, turn them loose. Oh, you ain't getting involved, huh, bro? You hold that knife like you shanked somebody before.
Maybe?
Huh?
Maybe.
Maybe? Okay. Something we didn't know about you, son.
Conspiracy theory.
Behind the scenes footage.
It's already started.
We find out the truth about him. He's not traveling for YouTube. He's on the run for murder. TT looking like a peach. She like Cousin It the way she cover her face with her hair. All right. You just hit that carrot like I'll beat your ass. Look at that. I don't even know how much fish that is, but I think that's enough. That's enough for everybody, right?
That's enough for everybody, buddy. I think so. It looks like it.
I love how everybody's using the coconut situation.
Coconut?
The coconut shell. Nice little smoke right there. Big up, bro.
It's driven by the cinnamon bark,
The chase is driven by the cinnamon bark.
Cinnamon bark.
Okay.
Yeah. Most people familiar with the sticks.
Yeah.
Most people familiar with it's been grounded.
Right.
Yeah, but this is the raw bark of the cinnamon tree.
Gotcha.
It's more hotter, as I would say.
Oh, this is called lively?
Yeah, it's not gravy. Most people say the gravy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not no gravy because our foods are alive and alive in foods.
I get you. We're not getting it from a grave. I get it.
Yeah,
I get
gravy, it's a lively.
Got you. So it's lively. Just for the lively. I was so curious. I'm like, what is this? Is this like the Trinity and like New Orleans cooking? I'm glad he told me. So what's this?
All right. So the pak choy that we cut up, we boil the potato, the pumpkin, and bulgur And then we pour that on the pak choy for it get a kind of natural kind of steam. Just the way how you do the herb thing, and you make all that thing come out well with just that natural heat, you know. And then you just cover it. And when the butter or margarine melts, that's it. You just twist them around.
Gotcha. Yes, this is the lovely Moosey, or Mussy. I'm not gonna lie. We're not gonna discuss what never mind. So that's not burning you at all? It's not hot to you?
No, not really.
It was hot as shit when I was cooking over there. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I still suffered through, but the food was good, and your food is always good. So you season the oil before you put the fish in?
Yeah.
What'd you season it with?
Garlic and pepper.
Garlic and pepper?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be good then.
It's buffy, I say.
Not the gravy, that's the lively. She's getting it together right now. It's cooking. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good.
Guys, dinner is ready. Look at it.
Oh, what's
Oh,
that?
nice.
Is that the lively?
That's the lively, brother.
Man, it looks so good too. Where's the fish?
It's no lively.
Oh, yeah.
It's lively, no gravy, brother.
Oh, yes, that's my bad, lively. Oh, what's behind me? That's you, TT, again?
Wow, fish. Here we go. Enjoy.
It's self-serve.
This two on it. It looks so good. Guys, I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to slam. Like, I'm really glad this was a great combination right here. Great collaboration. The food looks so good. I'm just trying to finish my split to make sure this, because this is my aperitif here. Yo, you can tell when you got YouTubers together. We're both on our respective cameras doing our closing situations, right? It's crazy. I'm enjoying this. I love it. Look at this beautiful plate. You got your lively around the bottom. I mean, she did it so clean. It looks like restaurant quality. This is so dope. This is so good. We in here getting it in right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. TT, don't worry about it. I'm not gonna put you in it.
Thank you.
I'm just showing the food. We're enjoying this. This is so good. Thank you so much, Moosey. Thank you, Roz. Hey, TT. It's funny, you covering up. I'm not even looking at you. I promise you. Here's the thing. I'm trying to stop cursing. But thing is, there's no way to really, really describe something without saying, this shit go hard in the paint. This shit is for real. This, man, look, I don't know. This is serious. I'm trying to tell you. You gotta come here. You gotta come here. Get your Airbnb game up. Come check this place out. I'm trying to tell you. Guys, I was loving this. I had to make up an excuse to leave the table. We were back there eating like a family, like Fast and Furious, you know, the first one. And this was so good. I just really want to have a one-on-one moment with y'all and just talk to you guys about, man, like just things I would never expect. I've never tasted Kingfish, and this is so good. Like, oh my God, this whole meal is just, I've only gotten through one slice of fish. I've been putting my place on Facebook. I'm asking, brother, what's a slice of fish? We call them steaks back home, baby. And what are these fish chunks? Them nuggets. Nope, I got put in my place, and trust me, this was not a fish steak, and neither that's a slice. That ain't no steak. This is slamming. This is good, man. Travel Jamaica. I got that. I'm not even done. I already want to open up that little top button right there and sit back and smoke a cigarette and yell at the kids for no reason. I only got no kids with me. That's how good this is. This has brought me back memories, and it's weird because I've never tasted anything like this, so I don't know. I don't understand how it brought back memories. Crazy.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Subscribe, motherfucker.